Hi, my name is Solar Chekwa, co-founder and chief visioneer of Prepr. Prepr is building a global lab network to connect entrepreneurs, intrapreneurs, and educators to co-learn, co-lab, and co-solve real-world challenges and create business opportunities. Hey Google, can I talk to Dr. Prepr?
All right, getting the test version of Dr. Prepr.
Hi, ask me anything about Prepr. If you needed more information on an answer, ask me to tell more about it.
What is PI?
PI is an interdisciplinary problem-solving framework with 3 phases.
Thanks, Dr. Prepr.
PI.
The future of work and skills is here. The World Economic Forum identified problem solving, creativity, collaboration, and critical thinking as the top skills of the future. So what does this mean for teachers and educators? Well, with connected screens, connected devices, and 3D printers, the traditional classroom is no longer relevant. By attending our workshop, you can learn how to turn your classroom into an innovation lab and provide your students with the skills and the experience they need to be able to create projects that can tackle real-world challenges and showcase their talents so that they can ultimately become more employable. What you learn out of this workshop in terms of outcomes is understanding the concepts of PI, being able to create an experiential learning environment that students can work within, and being able to evaluate the growth mindset or 21st century skills, creativity, critical thinking, collaboration, and communication. We look forward to having you in our session.